What's up, everybody? It's another edition of Fireplace Friday here at Flues Brothers World Headquarters. One of our staff, or a few of our staff, had suggested we get some Red Friday Flues Brothers shirts, so I'm supporting the cause for our local Chiefs. Go Chiefs! And we're having a good day here. It is awfully chilly outside. So, obviously this weekend, we've got football and it's, cold outside. And it's going to be a nice weekend. So, I imagine people will be firing up their fireplace for the first time. And, then I'm sure the phones will be off the hook on, Monday, just like they are today. We've got a few visitors today. I don't know if I think he just took off. Oh, here we go. I'm going to turn this is, Kenna's dog. Hi. Kenna, what's the dog's name? Finn. Yep. So he's a good dog. We were playing earlier. So I don't know how many people are gonna pop in on this today. But I won't lie. I don't have any good topics besides it's cold outside and people are gonna be using their fireplace, and I'm excited for the weekend. We've got a family picnic dinner, and we've also got a dinner at our own. You're on live.
I know. I wanted to remind everybody of something. Can I sneak?
Yeah, you're on live. Go for it.
Hi. So I just want to remind you guys that we do have a campaign going on right now. If you go on our Facebook page, there's a pinned video at the top of it, and if you share that video and like our page, you will be entered into the drawing for the $50 Kansas City Joe's gift card. We're going to draw for it live here on Fireplace Fridays on October 25th. So like the page and share the pinned video at the top of our page on Facebook. Thank you.
So that got you some followers. Let's take a look at that. We'll make that our topic today since Jeremy doesn't have a very big topic. Can you bring that up real quick? Just type in Facebook on my computer and it'll... it ought to bring it up, so let's find out. Let's see here. I've got to get going here pretty soon because I've got a doctor's appointment at 10:30. Go to the doctor every year and get checkups. It's good, especially when you get older. Yeah, see, if you just type in Facebook, but my Facebook ought to pop right up. So, and she's looking for it.
So if you go to our page. It's probably going to show up a little bit different for us because we own the page. And this is the video. It comes up right at the top. And so what you would do is you would just go down and share this video, like it and share it, and then you also want to make sure that you've liked the page. By doing those things, that gets you entered into the drawing for the $50 KC Joe's gift card.
All right. So there you have it. That's the topic for today then. I've got a bolt. I've got to get down to the doctor for my yearly checkup, make sure I'm in good shape. I appreciate everybody logging in, checking in. Go to the Flues Brothers Facebook page, play the game, enter the drawing, and get some barbecue. All right, have a good weekend. We'll see you next Friday.